Hi kitty cats. Today I got all this stuff in the background. Okay. Anyways, today I got my giveaway winnings. That's right, I won a giveaway. I won it from Cotton Tolly, and I'm pretty sure I'm saying that right. And she is awesome. She does awesome stuff with makeup. She does beautiful looks. She's gorgeous. She is kind and sweet and just lovely. And if you don't already subscribe to her, you really should. And there will be a link down below. Okay, I got it all open. I got a little crazy. Anyways, so it was back to school. So there are some things here that are specifically like back to school items that I'm gonna just be giving my daughter since she is doing her super senior year at school. So this is cool. It's a backpack and it comes with this like little, I don't know, pencil case or something. And what else is in here? What is, just like, okay, I'm having a little trouble with this now. Oh, because there's plastic stuff on it. Okay. So anyways, oh, there's an ice pack in there. So, and there's a water bottle that comes with it. So she will be pretty pleased that she has a new backpack to use. We always also have these lovely little like makeup bags that have Velcro on them. And there's flamingos on these ones. I have a friend that's like crazy about flamingos, but I'll be probably keeping this for myself. And we've got a calculator, a big ass calculator, a Casio. And so I don't know if my daughter has any classes that she would need this for. So I'm gonna ask her about that. And if she doesn't, I guess just keep it for myself for like when I'm checking out some things. Because you can always use a calculator to figure stuff out. We've got some highlighters and some markers, hot and bright markers that she will definitely be taking. We've got, oh, contour really is a girl's best friend, but I wanted to get rid of all the school stuff out first. Okay, some colored pencils, which is great because my daughter does a lot of art stuff. So that's like, will be nice. Some regular #2 pencils. Always need those when you're in school. Oh, and here's a little pencil case thing. It's in the color royal blue. At least that's what color I think it is. We've got a few notebooks and this Supreme sticker, which she might put on her laptop. So we got green, purple, yellow, which is great. Green is like one of her favorite colors. The other one is orange. She likes orange and green. We've got a little blue binder here thingy to put stuff in. And, oh, here's the binder of everything. So yeah, got a nice binder thing here to use that unzips. Kind of like a Trapper Keeper, but not. Do you remember Trapper Keepers? Because it angers me that they don't have those anymore. Trapper Keepers were awesome. Okay, now we're gonna get to all like the makeup and skincare stuff. We have acne clearing charcoal cleanser with probiotics with maximum strength salicylic acid, and it's safe for sensitive skin. It's from First Aid Beauty. This will be my first time using a First Aid Beauty product. I've heard really good things about it. Oh, there's a seal on here. There is a seal, which is a good thing. I actually use a charcoal cleanser a lot. It's a Biore one. It's kind of funny because I don't really like charcoal in my masks, but I do like it in my day-to-day like cleanser, because charcoal is really great for like acne, and I think it really cleans out your pores well. So there's that. Then I'm super excited about this. I've never tried a Drunk Elephant product before, and I've heard so many good things, and it is a very, very pricey. This is the Luxury Facial Oil, the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. So it's so fancy. If I can get open. Oh, here we go. A little dropper. So nice. This is just gonna like sit over here, because I don't even want to. It comes with like, oh, it comes with like a little pamphlet. Even the packaging with it is very sturdy, like cardboard. Like, that's crazy. What else do we got here? We've got, oh, I want to do those all together. We've got this little milk product, which also I've never used a milk product. It's a tattoo stamp. It's a smiley face one. So actually, I'm actually probably gonna give this to my daughter, because I don't think I'll be using smiley face very much. Can you even see it? Doesn't want to focus. It is a smiley face, I swear. I swear to you, it's a smiley face. So yeah, that's probably gonna go to her too. And I'm also gonna give her this because I have the large version of the Urban Decay Heat that was given to me for my birthday last year. It's one of my favorite palettes. It's so warm. And this is like the little mini version. Ooh, you're getting a look at many things. So that is on my table. But yeah, so I'm gonna give that to her. So she's like, oh, another mini palette for my mother. So what's up with that kid? Anyways, we've got a lipstick from Velvet 59, the Malibu Sunset Collection. It's in the color Pink Pipeline. I think this is like super pink, if I remember correctly. If I can get it out. Come out. Please, come out. It's really like stuck in there. Right, why don't you push it out? Packaging on this is so cute. Look at that. That is adorable packaging. Can you see it? I know it's so shiny that it might be hard to... I think it's having trouble focusing on it because it's so shiny and mirrory. So we're gonna take that part off. And actually it's not that bright of a pink as I thought it would be. So, swatchy swatchy. Yeah, it's actually like kind of a light pink. It's still sort of Barbie pink, but a light kind of Barbie pink. I like it. That's cute. I don't think, will it fit in there? No, it's too big to fit in the regular place that I put my lipstick. So we're gonna put it down there for now. Okay, we got this power blender. So, in lime green color by Sigma Beauty. I have not used this particular brand. I would like to see how soft it is. Oh yeah, that's soft but bouncy. So that's a good one. We've got this, these luxury vegan and cruelty-free lashes. This is so, like, the packaging on these things is so cute. I can't even. Oh, those lashes are nice and soft too. Look at those. No, this is in the way, but see how pretty they are? Such cute little packaging. It's so nice. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the Contour is a Girl's Best Friend. Also cute packaging. A lovely contour kit. And there are some really nice, like, pale colors here for the highlight part. There we go. I think this will be a good contour kit. From Velvet 59. I don't think I heard of them before, by Paris Manning. Should I know them? I probably should. So, these are Galactic Metallic Shadow Sticks. I know I'm gonna like these. No doubt. Also, really nice packaging. Super cute. If I can get them open, there we go. We will swatchy. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. So open, put our things in. And what color was that anyways? That was Desert. This one is Jewels. This one's like white. Oh, that's very shimmery. I like that a lot. That's very pretty. Got two more. I love the fact that there are like companies in this that I've never used before. So it gives me a chance to try out some like things from companies that I don't know that well and check them out. This one is called Garnet. Ooh. That one seems to be having a few issues there, but it's fine. Oh yes, that's very pretty. I like that white one the best though so far. It's not even white, I can't, it's just really shimmery. It's almost pink, but yet not. I can't even explain it. Wow. This is Satini. Having a little trouble getting this one open. There it goes. Oh, and yeah, this is really pretty. I can tell. That's pretty. See? So you can see a stained swatch from something else I watched earlier. So pretty. So that was awesome. There's one more thing. This really awesome Urban Decay Born to Run palette. So this is very exciting. Already the packaging is, you know, nice and heavy, which is great. And yeah, there you go. I'm not going to swatch these today, but I will do another video where I swatch them and do a look. I like to use them a little bit before, you know, I show you a look so that I can tell you what I really think. So pretty. I'm super excited about some of these colors. These greens over here. Oh my god. And this color, like Snog, is it? No, that's Radio. Smog is above it, which also is very pretty. This little purple here. That's Guilt Trip. These over here, Breakaway, Hell Ride, and Wild Heart. This orange color here. It's called the Baja. Well, I mean, just really, really pretty colors. So, super exciting. Yay. Now I'm gonna go eat dinner. I haven't eaten dinner yet. It's kind of on the late side for dinner, but this is how things go sometimes. So my daughter will be very excited. And all this packaging, man. So much packaging. Wow. And stuff to put away. Put these back here for her. Put this contour kit over here. Okay, I really need some new drawers now because things are getting crazy. Very, very crazy, very quickly. I'm cleaning up and not even like paying attention. Sorry, you guys. I'm like that. I want things to be much more organized than they are, and so things drive me a little crazy when they're not. I get all like buggy about it. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the giveaway I got. I'm very excited about many of the products that came. I'm gonna try out this acne cleanser tonight and definitely use the oil, the Drunk Elephant oil tonight as well. So super fun. And thank you guys for watching me. And please go check out Cotton's channel. You're gonna be like so like, oh my god. She's really, really great. So please do check it out. And always remember to be kind even when you want to slap them in the face. Bye bye, kitty cats.